The irony is a Facebook check-in and the Messenger option both ultimately get better results at topping up a customer base by spending less time and not wasting money on thinking up ways to get these valuable results. The Facebook check-in option is geared up to reach out to lots of local and further afield people to get them well acquainted with what your restaurant has to offer. That said, a prosperous future is within your grasp by using the Facebook check-in option to top up targeted publicity from customers who are prompted to check in while they're there. The reason being is each customer who places a post usually reaches hundreds of people they know, who become mindful of the restaurant's name, its whereabouts and its culinary delights because a canny prompted offer inspired them to check in. What is not to like? Check-in posts are actually endorsements by people who are currently there enjoying the food, experience, ambience, service due to the restaurant's foresight to please its customers. We urge restaurants to come up with an appropriate incentive, i.e., a 2 for the price 1 offer on drinks, appetizer, dessert, or perhaps a discount offer on this or the next bill if they return midweek within 28 days, or simply ask customers to post a check-in picture or review as a gesture of goodwill. This practice ultimately heightens the chances to fill seats or covers that would otherwise be empty. Webable's own services is determined to make restaurant owners aware of how beneficial check-ins would be to them by giving small and large businesses alike the heads up with how to utilize the Facebook check-in option for all it's worth. This practice is affordable at a small fraction of the cost that restaurants would pay out for this valuable type of publicity. The check-in proof is instantly visible. With all that said, the more customers that check in, the broader the publicity will be to reach people. To back up this publicity, it's of the utmost importance to make sure that all the relevant restaurant information is up to date on the Facebook page and wherever else information is on other platforms. The possibilities to reach a massive amount of local Facebook users and directly follow up to communicate with those people becomes viable. Dave and Chris at Freelance, Webable's own services. Strive to get the restaurant seen favorably about their competitors online. We make it easier for restaurant owners who are unaware of these possibilities and how to evolve with the aid of the internet. To build up trust and respect between us, we are giving a personalized promotion check-in display picture file that would normally cost a pretty penny. If displayed as intended, proves how this check-in growth comes to fruition. Would these possibilities be of interest to any restaurant owners you know? Freelance, Webable's own services, makes it their business to focus restaurant owners' potential. If this information has been of value to you, then to get our attention, give this video post the thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel or like our Facebook page so that you're notified when we upload our next video or post. If you do so, we'll take a look at how and where your business appears online so that we can figure out the steps to get the restaurant seen more favorably to further increase the restaurant's growth. Before that, we will forward a personalized Facebook check-in promotion picture for your approval to display and evaluate how you wish to proceed.